What's up? What's up? This your boy. Side. The PlayStation cover comes right off. See? Next up is you gotta take out these screws right here. That's where your regular screwdrivers come in. Only ones you have to take out are the ones that have arrows to it. It actually tells you which one to take out. There's arrows pointing to it. So, take those out. Then you just dump it like so, and that's how you get all those screws out. Alright, now that you get all the screws out, you grab it from the back, get your side view. You just grab it from the back, pops right open. And then you look in here, you'll see how nasty it is when they try to get closed. Pretty effing disgusting. Then you got all of this right here, all that dust that the system sucks in. So to clean that, you just disconnect this port right here. Well, excuse me, take it from here. It's easier to come out. It just pulls right out. And now, take your cleaning tool. Mine is just a little fine though. See, that's how you pull your pocket up. So now we have this, all of this to clean. Okay. Take the PlayStation back. And as you see, you lift up this box right here. And this box is actually where your PlayStation rooms is. This is inside a PS. I'll break it down real quick just to show you for my next video, a future video, where I actually do one component. You disconnect this cord right here. Which the apparatus connects, you just pull it out. have another cord. Trying to make that a lighter. Set that to the side. Now this, dust bunnies everywhere. Yeah, it should come out. Yeah, and a couple screws up here. And once you get all the screws, it's really just a matter of working it off. Ta-da! With the fan and everything good. Yeah, dirty it is. All these dust bunnies. Yeah. So, let's build out. Blow it out.